Hosting.com hosting honest review. Watch before using. Most people get business hosting wrong. They assume enterprise-level hosting is complex and expensive. The surprising truth about Hosting.com is that it offers secure, scalable hosting solutions for businesses of all sizes, and you won't believe how much control you get over your infrastructure. Here's how it works. Hosting.com provides managed cloud hosting, dedicated servers, and hybrid solutions. Their platform includes advanced security, 24/7 monitoring, backups, and compliance support. Users can choose solutions tailored to performance, storage, and security needs. For example, an e-commerce business handling hundreds of daily transactions can rely on Hosting.com's dedicated servers for speed, uptime, and PCI compliance. Most people get this wrong. They assume managed hosting removes control, but Hosting.com allows customization while handling technical complexity. Additional features include disaster recovery, DDoS protection, and support for multiple programming environments. Users praise reliability, proactive support, and enterprise-grade security. However, there are considerations. Managed hosting is pricier than shared hosting, and small businesses with simple needs may find some features overkill. Most people assume enterprise hosting is difficult to manage. Hosting.com simplifies the process with expert support. In conclusion, Hosting.com is ideal for businesses seeking secure, scalable, and reliable hosting with professional support and enterprise-level features. Subscribe for more honest reviews of hosting services and business IT solutions.